Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to activate unanswered calls reminders on Google Meet. The first thing you do is open up your Google Meet app, then you click on the three lines at the top left corner, click on settings, then scroll down to notifications, click on notifications. Now the second option we have under notification is special events and topics, but the one we need is the third option, which is on send messages reminders. You toggle it on. This means you will get reminders for new unseen messages. Now the main thing we're looking for is how to turn on reminders for an unanswered call, which is the last option. So you turn it on. Here you get reminders to retry calls that do not connect. And that is how to activate unanswered call reminders on Google Meet. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.